In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion cover in Canva. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can go from a blank canvas to a polished banner that looks great at the top of your Notion page. First, head into Canva to create your own Notion cover. Start by creating a new design and selecting a banner template. Any wide horizontal banner works well here. If you're deciding on proportions, a wide rectangle is ideal so it stretches cleanly across the top of your Notion page. Think of it like a website header. Panoramic, not tall. Choosing a banner template saves time because it already has the right orientation and gives you a neat starting point. Now start designing your new banner cover for your Notion page. Keep your layout simple and readable. Notion displays the cover behind your page title, so leave a little breathing room near the center and top where text might overlap. If you're using text on the cover, pick a clean font with strong contrast against the background. Consider a solid or softly textured background, a single accent color, and one focal element, like an icon or a pattern. You can browse Canva's photos, shapes, and illustrations to match your theme. Minimal for a workspace, bold for a creative portfolio, or calm for a study hub. Align elements carefully and keep important details away from the extreme edges so nothing looks clipped. If you're using images, lightly adjust brightness or add a subtle overlay to ensure any text remains legible. When you're happy with the design, it's time to save it. Click Share at the top right and select Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics or JPG for a slightly smaller file size. Either will work well. Name the file something you'll recognize later and let the download complete. Once it's downloaded, go back to your Notion page and click Add Cover at the top of the page. This opens the cover options for your page. Now import the banner you created by selecting your downloaded file. Give it a moment to upload, and your custom design will appear as the header across your page. If it looks good and the key elements are visible, you're all set. That's all. You've designed a clean, personalized Notion cover in Canva and added it to your workspace. Keep your original Canva design handy so you can tweak colors or swap images later without starting from scratch. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your refreshed Notion page.